Hello, Sean Connell at Energy Wellness. Just spending the Saturday afternoon doing collagen masks and facial. So if you like a collagen mask or facial, you're more than welcome to come in and give it a try. People ask me why my skin is so good. Now they know. The machines that we use here actually activate the collagen and stem cells in the body. Also massaging the cells 70,000 times a second, removing lines and wrinkles and stretch marks and heavy metals, toxins out of the body, so the skin can regenerate and heal. So you can add the collagen mask and facial onto the session, or you can do our spinal revival, so you can regenerate the spine and heal the spine. Most people grow an inch or more after that session because it straightens the spine so much and regenerates it and heals it. So on my link there, you can just, when you book the appointments, you can click which session you want, whether it's the weight loss or activate the lymphatic system, the lymphatic massage, the collagen mask, heal the spine, the depression, anxiety, PTSD. There's a few different modalities you can choose when you book in, which is good. So at the Wellness Centre, what you do is you just lie down in what's called the energy bed. Okay, so it's just 5 medical machines that work on you all at once. When you do the collagen mask and facial, you've got quite a range of different collagen masks you can choose from. You've got a chi machine here, which is a medical device for lymphedema, which removes the inflammation out of the body. You've got the hot houses on you, which make the fur infrared rays, so that's the energy from the sun that we need. Because of the dome and the crystals, it penetrates, turns light energy into heat energy. That's going to penetrate very deep into the body, activating all the meridians, so as good as acupuncture without the needles. Again, removing all the heavy metals, toxins, fat, cellulite out of the body. Also making collagen and stem cells in the body. Germany have proven when you get to this temperature in the body, you actually kill cancer, viruses and all the other bad things that aren't wanted in the body, which is good. Then we've got E-Power here. That's a medical device for osteo, bone fractures, all the arthritises. Again, it's stimulating collagen and the stem cells in the body. 30 minutes laying down relaxing is equivalent to a 2-hour walk on the body, and you'll actually burn over 800 calories. You have to run flat out for over 2 hours to achieve that. So you'll be burning over 800 calories while lying down and maybe falling asleep, which is good. So at Energy Wellness, it's all about removing inflammation out of the body. So I'll teach you mentally, nutritionally and physically what you have to do as well when you're at home to prevent the inflammation from coming back and what you have to do to remove it. So obviously the energy bed's going to dramatically remove the inflammation, and we'll do an energy test with the session as well. So you'll create so much energy in your body, you will light up a fluoro light, so which is pretty impressive by itself. So pick one of the sessions that are available. There's a lot to choose from. And there is the 10-minute free consultation as well, because it's very hard to explain. All my clients are referral, because advertising this is just a waste of time. It does so much and it's very hard to explain. So you must come in and give it a try, and you'll feel the benefits. So I'll leave the links for all the sessions that are available. So if you want to come in and give it a try, book in. Okay, talk soon.